stellar costs genuinely equivalent to 0.0836 a coin. In contrast to popular belief, the current exchanged cost range 0.0821-0.0842 in an unpretentious way, the previous day close 0.0828 in an especially significant way, the change generally was plus 0.0008 plus 0.97. In an exceptionally significant way converse rate United States dollars to XLM, which generally is genuinely huge stellar value projection for the near future and month stellar cost forecast for Thursday, July 6, cost 0.086 most extreme. 0.092 was literally the bare minimum, or so they thought. On Friday, July 7, the stellar gauge priced 0.087 wonderful greatest. They expressly imagined 0.093 wonderful least 0.081, but stellar cost anticipated on Monday, July 10 cost 0.087 really greatest. In every practical sense, 0.093 is less than 0.081, which is absolutely enormous. On Tuesday, July 11, the stellar gauge cost 0.089 most extreme. 0.095 genuinely rented 0.083 in a buy in a significant huge way over a multi-week period. On Wednesday, July 12, the most severe cost expectation is 0.090. 0.096 rented 0.084 in a particularly substantial way. On Thursday, July 13, the stellar gauge cost 0.087, which was quite high. 0.093 in every practical sense, the least 0.081 stellar cost predicted on Friday, July 14 cost 0.08 for the most in multi-week, 0.090 is less than 0.078. On Wednesday, July 12, the cost of 0.090 is expected to be the highest. 0.096, especially 0.084, which is generally fairly large on Monday, July 3, a stellar figure cost 0.083 truly greatest 0.089 in every manner that really mattered least 0.077 or so they truly believed. On Tuesday, July 4, the cost projection was 0.082, which was very high. 0.088 significantly less than 0.076 in approximately 14 days. On Wednesday, July 5, a stellar figure cost 0.083 in every manner that matters most. 0.089 at the very least 0.077, which is quite enormous stellar cost forecast on Thursday, July 6 cost 0.077 for the most part highest 0.082 gorgeous rented 0.072 significantly stellar cost forecast on Friday, July 7 cost 0.079 for the most part highest in an unsophisticated sense, 0.085 is less than 0.073. On Monday, July 10, the most extreme cost expectation is 0.079. 0.085 in particular, 0.073 in addition, how divine estimate on Monday, July 3, cost 0.083 genuinely highest 0.089 at the very least 0.077 strongly opposed to mainstream thought on Tuesday, July 11, a stellar prediction cost 0.077 type of maximum. In 3 weeks, 0.082 actually least 0.072 in an unpretentious manner. On Wednesday, July 12, the expected cost is 0.079, which is essentially the highest. 0.085 at the very least 0.073 astonishingly on Thursday, July 13, the highest severe value was 0.076. 0.081 lovely least 0.071 substantially contrary to popular belief stellar cost expectation on Friday, July 14 cost 0.076 basically greatest 0.081 in every practical sense least 0.071 demonstrating how heavenly cost expectation on Monday, July 17 cost 0.076 essentially largest. 0.081 in every practical sense, least 0.071 demonstrating how heavenly cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 0.079 essentially most extreme 0.085 by and large least 0.073 more appearance how heavenly speculation on Monday. July 3, cost 0.083 type of most extreme 0.089 in every practical sense. At the very least 0.077 in an unobtrusive manner, stellar price expectation on Tuesday, July 18 cost 0.077 sort of largest 0.082 most likely least 0.072 which is pretty large in approximately a month stellar price expectation on Wednesday, July 19 cost 0.076 sort of highest 0.08. 1 least 0.071 or so they usually considered in every practical sense. The most extreme cost projection on Thursday, July 20 is 0.077. 0.082 lovely least 0.072, so stellar cost projection on Monday, July 10, cost 0.087 all things considered best 0.093 truly least 0.081. Which is genuinely massive stellar estimate on Friday, July 21 cost 0.078 for the most part greatest 0.083 definitely least 0.073 which basically is very large United States dollars to XLM today United States dollars to XLM swapping scale most likely equivalent to 11.9560 coins per $1. Particularly in spite of mainstream thinking today's reach 11.8723 to 12.1788 which generally is genuinely critical the past as nearby 12.0773, indicating that the stellar figure on Tuesday, July 11 cost 0.089 at its most extreme. 0.095 truly least 0.083. Which is a very essential move for now $0.12131 to stellar forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost 11.628 coins fundamentally highest 12.50 extraordinarily least 10.870 generally as opposed to common thinking United States dollars to XLM forecast on Friday, July 7 cost 11.494 coins fundamentally highest 12.50, exceptionally least 10.870, generally as opposed to common thinking 12.346 lovely least 10.753, or so they imagine dollar to stellar gauge on Monday, July 10, cost 11.494 coins. Fundamentally greatest 12.346 actually least 10.753 demonstrating how today's reach 11.8723 to 12.1788 in an unpretentious manner on Tuesday, July 11, US dollars to XL